orange life jacket. There's gonna be 4 clips down the middle. Make sure those are all clipped, including the one right by your belly button. A lot of people are probably missing that. You only have one belly button, we gotta protect it. Next, we wanna make sure these life jackets are nice and snug. This is how we will be pulling you back into the boat today if you happen to go in the water for whatever reason. We like to say here, if you can't breathe, you can't drown. That's what the science tells us. So you have straps on the sides and shoulders. Pull those tight. A good way to check if your life jacket is tight enough, if you pull up on these shoulder straps, it should not come above your ears. If it does, it is too loose.
Hey guys, so I just finished my first rafting experience and it was great. I was a little nervous at first because I wasn't sure how fast the water was going to be going, but it actually turned out to be pretty good. This is at Cascade Raft and Kayak in Idaho. Come check them out. Shout out to Danny, who was our raft guide the whole way. He was really great. Made sure we were safe.